Hello, welcome to my Nclex prep channel. So today we're gonna talk about the NNAS process. So NNAS stands for the National Nursing Assessment Service, where you just fill out the application form, and they're gonna generate 3 forms where that you have to send to your college, university, and 1 form to your employer. They're gonna fill out all the information. They're gonna send to the NNAS address, and they're gonna assess your documentation, evaluate, and they're gonna generate a report. After in this report, they're gonna say you are eligible to take an RN exam, registered nurse exam, or registered practical nurse exam. This process just for the if you have done the nursing in India, such as like registered bachelor's of science in nursing program or GNM general nursing program, if you have done in India or any other country, if you have done bachelor of science in nursing such as Pakistan, Sri Lanka, or Philippines, then you are planning to move to the Canada and you want to get your RN or license in Canada, a registered nurse or registered practical nurse license in Canada, then this is the first step that you have to do. So in this step, we're gonna talk about how to fill out that application form. So let's start. So first of all, you have to put the NNS in Google and search like this. So you want to get like this, National Nursing Assessment Service. Just click on that link and you land on this page where you have to click on here, apply and login. Here, if you have already made an account, then just write your email address and the password. But if you don't have any account, then just create an account. So they're gonna ask you your email address and just enter your password, and also they're gonna give you the 3 security question. You just select the security question and answer. Just in case in future if you forget your password, then it's gonna help you. They're gonna ask you about the security question, just enter your answer. So I would suggest take a snapshot, so just in case if you forget your password, then it's very helpful. So in my case, I already made an account, so I will just directly logged in. So once you log in, you're gonna see like this. So where you have to start a new application, but in my case I already started an application, so it looks like this. But once you click on the start a new application, then it's gonna look like so. Here there is a dashboard on your left hand side. There's a dashboard, my account, application, where you have to fill all the information. So here's in the application, we're gonna fill out all this information, and I will show you how to fill out that information. Here is another option. There's a test result, contact us, and logout information. So let's start with the fill out the information. So there is a part A for the education. So first question is, first select the country of the nursing school. So where in which country you have finished your nursing school, that you have to put. So in my case, I finished my nursing school in India, so I put the India. Choose the school from the drop down list to continue filling out the form. So here is the big list. If your college name shows here, then just click on that college, but if it doesn't show, then just click on the other here and just write down your college name. And after that, they are asking for the address of your school, so just you have to enter your address of the school. And here I enter my address. After that, they asking about, has this school closed or merged with another school. That means your school merged with the other college or like university, then you have to say yes. But in most of case, it's gonna be the no. So in my case, I put the no. Then they are asking about your nursing program. So what is the name of the nursing program? So name of the nursing program is Bachelor's of Science in Nursing. Type of school, so it's a college, so I select the college from here. Category of program, so it's a nursing, so I select the nursing. Your name used while attending this school, so I attended in my full name. Then they're asking about the program start date, program completion date, that you have to fill out. After that, they are asking about the language of instruction. So theory, in India, you're gonna learn in the English, like theoretical, clinically, and also the primary language of institution, because you are taking course in English, so you have to put the English here. The name of credential, degree obtained, so you have to put, like if you have done the Bachelor of Science in Nursing, then you have to put the Bachelor of Science in Nursing. If you have done any other program, then just click that one. So I enter the Bachelor of Science in Nursing, save the school information. On the next page, so once you fill out the education, then there is a part B, it's called the registration. So they are asking two questions. Did you obtain nursing registration or a license in the jurisdiction where you completed your initial nursing program? So you have to click on a yes. And if the jurisdiction of or country of your initial nursing program doesn't issue a license, does you give you the right to practice, so you have to select here no. Once you click that one, then after that they're gonna ask you the question. So please select the country where you were registered or licensed as a nurse. So I click the India. You have to click your country name, choose a country, jurisdiction, regulatory body or authority from the drop down list. So here you have to select your nursing council. So if you are done in Gujarat, then most of the people have the Gujarat Nursing Council. But if you are done that program in Haryana or Punjab, then you have to select nursing council as per your regulatory body. So next question is, please provide the name that appear on your registration license. So you have to write down your name, title of the registration license. So this is the registered nurse and registered midwife, the nursing registration or license number, where you have to enter your license number here. Then current status of your nursing registration license. Here if you are practicing, then you have to pick practicing here because you already got your license. If you have the provisional license, then just select the provisional, but if you have already license, then select the practicing. Date of registration or license issue. So on what date they issued your license, that date you have to enter. Is this a lifetime practice registration license? Yes, in India it is the lifetime, so I select the yes. The method by which you were registered, so by the examination, you have to click the examination here. Are you eligible to renew this registration license in this jurisdiction? So yes here. Have you ever been registered to practice in any other health discipline or health profession? So here you have to select the no. Have you ever been registered to practice in any other regulated profession? Then you have to select the no. Then save the registration information. After that, they're gonna ask you about part C, is about the examination. So here, have you written and passed the Nclex RN examination? So most of the case you have to select the no. If you have take your exam from the USA or Australia, then just click the here yes, otherwise it's gonna be the no. The next section about the condition, so where they're gonna ask you about your registration. So first question is, are you currently registered in any other Canadian province or territory? So here no. In how many other Canadian province or territories have you applied to register? So no other. Were referred for a competency assessment in any province or territories? So no. Have you completed a competency assessment in any province or territory? Then it's no. They're asking about the license conditions. So do you have any current limitation or restriction on your nursing license or nursing registration? So no. Here basically they are asking about your criminal offense, or your license has been rejected, or your license has been terminated by your council. Then you have to pick yes, but I believe you are like practicing, so it's gonna be the no in each question. But if you want to read out the question, you can just read it out. After that, save and continue to the employment. So in this employment, if you have done the clinical practice or clinical instructor practice in India or Pakistan, any other country, then just pick your employer name and fill out the information. So in my case, I have done practice, so I pick the name of the employer here, and address you have to fill it out. They're gonna ask you about your supervisor name, so you just have to fill out the supervisor name here, then title and position of the supervisor, and the description of your nursing employment. So if you have worked as a registered nurse, such as in clinic, then just select here the registered nurse. But if you have worked as a clinical instructor, then you just have to pick the other and just write down here. Then after that, your job status, so it's gonna be the full-time, part-time, or the casual. So most of time it's gonna be the full-time. The primary language of the patient population for which you provide a nursing service. So I did practice in Gujarat, so I picked the Gujarati. But if you have practice in Punjab, then you have to select the Punjabi language here. But name of each area or unit of practice in which you worked. So wherever you have worked, such as you have worked in the medicine ward, then just select here the medicine. If you have worked in surgery, then just select here the surgery. If you have worked in both, then you can just select both medicine and surgery. And if you have worked in any other department which doesn't show here, then you can just write down, select on other, and then just write down the name. After that, they are asking about your employment history, so where you have to enter your hours. So in 2023, how much hours you have worked, in 2022 how many hours you have worked, that all information that you have to fill it out here. So employment started, when did you start your job, that you have to fill out that date. And employment end date here, have you completed refresher program in the past 5 years, then just select here no, and then hit the submit the employer information. On the next part F for the payment, so that's all the application information that you have to fill it out. After that, they are asking about the payment. So if you have applied for the RN, that means registered nurse, then here's the main application fees is 650 USD. So if you convert in Canadian dollars, so it's gonna be somewhere around $900 to $1,000. So just click on agree the terms and condition, and then just enter your credit card information here and hit the process the transaction. And once you fill out that all the information, then they're gonna generate the 3 forms. So first form is gonna be about your nursing council, that where you have to send your form to the nursing council, and the second form that you have to send to your college, and the last form that you have to send to your employer. So they're gonna fill out all the information about you, and they're gonna send it to the directly to the NNAS, and they're gonna assess and evaluate your documentation. After that, they're gonna generate a report, and in that report they're gonna say you are eligible to take an RN or RPN exam. So RN means registered nurse and RPN means registered practical nurse exam. Once you get that report, then after that you have to apply in another regulatory body, such as if you're gonna stay in the Ontario, then you have to apply in the CNO, College of Nurses Ontario. But if you're gonna move to the Alberta or Saskatchewan or British Columbia, anywhere, then depends on your province regulatory body, you have to apply in that regulatory body. So if you want to know about any other process for the nursing, like what is the next step and how to apply in the USA, United States, then just comment down below. I will make about that video. And if you like this video, then just like the button and share with your friends. Thank you.